Hi guys, welcome to RVTM. My name is Richie and in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can identify your album pressing. I don't know if you have the same problem that I usually had. Every time that I want to catalog my collection, I often started with Discogs. I put in a title of an album I own and then I see 10, 20, 30 possibilities or hits, and then I thought, but which one do I own? I really don't know. So in this video I'm going to teach you how you can properly identify your album pressing. And for this example I've chosen this album, Big Hits, High Tide and Green Grass by the Rolling Stones Decca. And okay, if I normally want to put it in on Discogs, and I will now go to another screen, so give me a second, otherwise you won't be able to follow it. Well, I'm going to do what I normally do. I now have this already a little bit done, but I want to show you what normally happens. So what I normally do is, and everyone does this, I put this album in the Discogs and then I see, oh wow, how many hits do I get? 392. And sure, I know my album cover, but still there are a lot of this album covers, like this one, this one, this one. And oh wait, this is Decca, here's Decca, which one do I own? And I never knew what to do. So I'm going back now to myself and going back to this album. See, this is the album I own. And so what can we do? Well, first of all, we can use the catalog number, but lo and behold, often this is by no means enough. But how do you find the catalog number? Well, it's often somewhere on the cover, and in this case it's here, yeah. And it says Stereo TXS 101. Now I will prove you that it's nice you have this catalog number, but it often isn't enough to identify which album pressing you truly own. So we're going back now. Sorry, give me a second. Yes, here I am. So what I know now is, and I will add it, TXS 101. Give me a sec. Yeah. Oh wait, I still see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe even more, because there's a view all results, but I still don't know which one do I own. Wait a minute, I just entered the catalog number, so why is it that there are still often more possibilities? Well, I will teach you now how you then can identify the true pressing you own. And do you know that is something that many people don't know, but if you are a true collector and you have a lot of records, then somehow, somewhere you're going to learn this and you want to know this, what I'm going to teach you now. Because there is a secret code. And this sounds very interesting, but it's not as difficult as it sounds. There is a secret code on your record, and we call it the matrix code, at least I do. And this matrix code, where can you find this? Because this is going to determine your actual pressing. Well, this is a record. This is the record I showed you of the Rolling Stones. This is the whole album. This is the Decca. And where can you find this code? Well, here. Here you find the dead wax, how we call it, or the run out grooves, whatever you want to call it, but we often call it the dead wax. And in this dead wax, well, here's the secret code. And if you look closely on every record, you will find some letters and you know, and it will basically tell you which which pressing you own. And the code that is pressed there or stamped is called the matrix code. And again, you can find it in this dead wax or run out groove, whatever you want to call it. It's between the record grooves and the label. there is this dead wax, and then there is a code. Now in this case, it says something like, oh man, there's a long code. I will put it into Discogs immediately so we can find it. The code that I see there is on side A, xzal, what a code, 7503, and I see even a 6D. Hey man, did you notice that I had a few and many hits and now only one hit? So I'm pressing this one, and again I now see Decca TXS101. Hey, this was the catalog number, so that's correct. And how can I verify it? Here, notes, matrix or run out code. Don't do it like this, do it like this, Richie, come on. Matrix code, side 1, xzal 75036D. So now I know my exact actual pressing I own, and now I'm able to catalog it the right way or to see how much that it's worth. So I can see now that it's an, come on, okay, I should be able to go back. I can now see it's an LP compilation, a reissue in stereo, and in stereo you could already see because this had the @s of stereo. But okay, this is the actual record and the actual identification of my record pressing. And this way you can do it with every record you own. So now you can go to Discogs, now you know how to do it. You can put the catalog number in, but if you really want to know which pressing you have this matrix code that is in the dead wax. You just put it in Discogs or on Google and you will find the actual pressing you own. So guys, I hope this video helped you to identify your own pressings. Now you can look up on Discogs if you have some first pressings or hidden gems that are worth way more than you thought it was. Well, my name is Richie. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I will leave you with the phrase I will always leave you with, and that is please stay safe and bye for now.